Hello and welcome to traders and investors. I'm glad to present to you the cryptocurrency market review presented by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Bitcoin has been showing a slow upward drift for about a month and a half. But this move clearly looks like a correction on the daily time frame. A liquidity pool remains below, and there is a high probability price will eventually move toward it. On the 4-hour chart, it is obvious how weak this growth is, if it can even be called growth at all. Our review remains unchanged. The downtrend is not over. The market is simply in a pause. Meanwhile, analysts at Sentiment report the large player activity has dropped to 2023 lows. Daily transactions over 100k USD have fallen to around 6,400, while transactions above 1 million USD are down to about 1,500 per day. In short, whale activity is declining. What does this mean? Permabulls argue this is accumulation by whales, potentially signaling a new bullish cycle. But there's another explanation they tend to ignore: a decline in interest in Bitcoin and risk assets overall. About 6 months ago, Bitcoin entered a fully justified downtrend. On the daily chart, price twice swept liquidity above previous highs, but failed to continue higher. For a macro trend, 6 months is relatively short, which suggests the bearish trend is still intact. Bitcoin continues to form a full-fledged downtrend. We still expect a decline to about 57,500 USD, the 61% Fibonacci level of the 3-year uptrend, and there are currently no signs of a trend reversal. Even 57.5k USD no longer looks at the final stop. From point of interest areas, note only the nearest bearish FVG on the daily time frame, which is quite far from the price. On the 4-hour time frame, the leftist FVG could theoretically be used to look for sell signals. Below, an obvious target remains the liquidity pool beneath the two trend lines. Bitcoin is trading around 68,763 USD, above the 3-8 mirror line, and showing signs of a consolidation. If BTC remains in this range, a technical rebound is likely to occur in the coming days. If the Bitcoin price consolidates above 69k, we could expect it to continue rising until it reaches the 200 EMA around 70,719. It's a purple line on the chart, and could even reach the top of the downtrend channel around 71,200 USD. Conversely, if Bitcoin falls below 68k, it is likely to continue its bearish cycle until reaching the bottom of the bearish trend channel, around 65 and 2k. If Bitcoin encounters strong resistance around 70,000 USD 900, where the top of the downtrend channel is located, This could be seen as an opportunity to resume selling, with targets at 68,750 USD and the 2-8 Murray around 62,500 USD. The Eagle indicator has reached oversold territory, so we expect the price of the leading cryptocurrency to recover above 68,750 USD. That's all for today. See you online soon and good luck.